Hello guys, this is Technonomics 9 tutorial and you're here with me, Maureen Ralte. Today I'm going to teach you how to design these graphics and also how to animate it in PowerPoint. First, let me show you the animation. Okay, there you go. Let's start the tutorial. Before we start the tutorial, why don't you hit the like and subscribe button, and also you'll find the download for the PPT in the description below. So let's start the tutorial. First of all, right click, format background, and from here choose to this color. Now close format background, go to insert, shapes, and choose rounded rectangles and draw a rounded rectangle like this. Make it less rounded like this. Go to insert, go to shapes, and choose an oval. With the shift key on your keyboard, draw an oval like this. Place it right in the middle, select both of them, go to merge shapes and press union. Now go to shape outline, no outline, shape fill to gradient and more gradients. Gradient fill, and you'll find something like this. So just select one of them, which is in the middle, and remove gradient stop. Now select this first one, select colors, and with the eyedropper I'm gonna use this color. Select this one, eyedropper, select this, eyedropper, and choose this color. Now go to insert, go to shapes, and choose an oval again. Draw an oval, insert, shapes, oval. Please make sure to press the shift key. And place it right in the middle. Shape outline, no outline, and shape fill to white. Now go to insert, go to shapes, choose a rounded rectangle, and draw a rounded rectangle that looks something like this. Go to insert, go to shapes, and choose pentagon and draw like this. So select both of them, merge shapes, and union. Go to insert, go to shapes, and choose chevron. And draw chevron like this. Place it here. Now select this below one, shape outline, no outline, shape fill to white. Now select this, shape outline, no outline, then shape fill, go to gradients, gradient fill, and we just have to do that, and it will color by itself. Now select the last one, then from shape effects choose shadow and choose this shadow. Select the circle, shape effects, shadow, and choose this shadow again. Now select this, shape effects, shadow, and choose this shadow. Now go to insert, go to shapes, and use this text box, and just type your text. Make the text smaller, make it bold, and place it right here. Now go to insert again, choose a text box, and write some random stuffs. First, make the font small. Some people have curly brown hair, turns permanently black. Now place it here. Once you've done that, make the font further smaller. Yeah, that will do. Now go to insert, text box, and write. Align it center, make it white, make it bold, make it bigger. And place it out here. Once you've done that, select all of these and Control key on your keyboard, drag it and duplicate it. And place it here. Do the same thing one more time. Now once you've done that, select this. We'll just change the colors. and change this to step 2. Select the last one. Change this to step 3. Now close format shape. Now once you've achieved that, we'll start with the animation. Go to animations, go to wipe, effect, from top with previous, open the open the animation pane if you want to. Now select this oval, from here zoom after previous. Now select this, wipe, from left after previous. As you can see here, goes down like this. So go to this white one, wipe, select the text, wipe, left after previous, select this text, wipe, from top after previous, select this, wipe, from top after previous, select this, after previous. Let's just play and see. Yep, so we'll just do animation painter, animation painter, animation painter, There you go. Now let's play from the beginning. So we have a slide of problem out here. So the problem is here. You have to change this to after previous, and here this to after previous. So let's play now. There you go, guys. This was a very easy tutorial. I hope you like my videos. Please subscribe to my channel and please share with your friends so that I can make more videos like this. Thank you.